Today I'm gonna be reviewing this $25 water cooler that I got on Amazon. I started opening it up a little bit, but then I was like, you know what, maybe I should make a video in case it turns out to be total shit. For now, I have this 1-gallon water to test it on. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna see how legit it is, because I've seen some $300 ones and I thought that was just the standard price. So I'm hoping this won't start leaking or break or blow up or anything, with it being $65 and all. You know, okay, let's continue. We have a manual. I really wish they had a black version, because I could have sworn I ordered the white one, because it would have been more fitting to the theme of my room, which is kind of gothic. But pink is cool. Pink is cute too. By the way, this already feels very cheap. It feels like a little plastic kids playset water cooler. Well, you get what you pay for. As you can see, it has hot, cold, and warm options. The bottom drain is removable, which makes for easy cleaning. It is that cheap plastic material. Although, to be honest, I'm not really worried about the build of it. I just want to make sure it makes my teas and actually produces hot water. The back, this is what it looks like. Here is the on and off button. And this is where you will put your water gallon. And water gallons are super freaking heavy, so hopefully it's not gonna crush this little flimsy thing. But let's actually test it out, shall we? I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. Very lightweight. It's gonna disinfect both this surface and my water bottle surface. No spillage so far. I'm gonna test it out on this bowl, because this is all I have right now. Let's see. Now, to get the hot water, we're gonna switch this power on. I was a little bit confused about this, because it had 2 power buttons, but this one specifically for the hot water. And what sucks about this water dispenser is that it's kind of like any coffee maker. You have to wait for the water to warm up a little bit. What I was looking for is the one where you just press it and then it comes out inside. But this one, you actually have to wait a little bit, and this red light's gonna go on. And then once the water is ready, it's gonna go down to this green one that says warm. Hopefully it captured all this steam that's coming out. But yeah, as far as hot water, it does work, but it's just a little bit slow. This thing is hella noisy. I wish I could have recorded when it was on. Maybe I'll insert a clip of it running. You have to remember to turn the power off for the hot water, as well as the green one for the cooling water when you're not actively dispensing water. This is how loud it is when you turn it on to warm up the hot water. And excuse my voice, I just woke up and I'm making my coffee. The first time I powered it on to heat up the water, it took a little bit over 5 minutes, 36 seconds for it to be ready. I assumed it's when the light switches to the warm. I'm not sure, but that's how long I've been letting it warm up. And it does come out pretty hot and steamy. Now I'm going to demonstrate the cold water filtration. I have not tried this one yet. With it being cold season, I haven't really felt the desire to drink any cold water, but I guess now's the time to show you how this works. So you're gonna turn on the green switch in the back, and then you just wait while it makes that noise again. Can you guys hear the fan? I don't know how long you're supposed to wait until you let it cool, or if you even have to wait, but let's go ahead and try it. I wish I had a glass cup so you could see the condensation, because I don't think this is going to show all that well. I mean, I can show you the temperature through video. Okay, yeah, that's cold. I mean, it's not chilly. God, I don't know how this is gonna hold up during the summer, because during the summer I want ice cold water. It's slightly cooler than room temperature. Might be just this ceramic mug, I don't know. I really wish I had a glass cup so I could show you if it condenses at least, so you could get a visual of how cold it is. But anyway, yeah, there it is. It says that it could hold up to a 5-gallon container, but I don't trust it because this is a pretty flimsy little cooler and I don't want to crush it, so I'm gonna stick with this 3-gallon one. But anyway, yeah, I'd recommend this if you don't mind the noise and if you're a single person living on your own with limited space. Thanks for watching this. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, I'm gonna go make some noodles now. Bye.